Hey guys, how you all doing? In this video, I'm going to give you an update on my Crypto.com dollar cost average trading bots. Now, if you didn't see the previous video I did showing you exactly how to set these bots up, you can do so by clicking the link above there, and that will take you to the video to show you exactly how to set those bots up. If you're thinking about buying into any particular cryptocurrency or token now, maybe one you don't already own, or maybe one that you own and you want to buy more of, then I would always recommend that you dollar cost average into any investment. Spread that investment across multiple days or weeks rather than, buying all in one lump sum, because you are probably going to get a much better price by doing it that way. It's much safer to spread your investment across a number of buys rather than one big lump sum. There is a possibility that you could buy at the best possible time with your lump sum and get the lowest possible price, but for safety's sake, it's best to spread that investment. Same goes for stocks and shares. Always kind of spread your investment over a period of time rather than just aping into an investment with one lump sum. If you are going to dollar cost average into a cryptocurrency, then I would recommend that you do it with a bot, because it just saves you the hassle of having to remember to buy the asset on the day that you want to buy it on, or each and every week. It's much easier to just set and forget, if you like, and these bots are really easy to set up. So let me take you over to Crypto.com, the exchange account. This is my exchange account. Currently got a balance of 6944. Most of that is tied up in Matic and AVAX, 44% in Matic, 32% in AVAX. Now, I've had these investments in both of these tokens for a few years now. If I just show you this little workbook here, 2 years ago, my balance of Matic was worth $3,300. Then we went through that crazy bear market for so long, and that price dropped to probably less than half that. Same with AVAX. So I have been just waiting. I've kept that investment sitting there rather than selling. As they always say, you've not lost anything until you actually sell. So, I just kept my investment sitting there waiting for this time the prices started getting back to where they once were, and hopefully much higher. So things are looking good now. If I just come over to CoinGecko here, you can see the current price of Bitcoin is now $54,714, doing really well, up 0.2% in the last hour, up 5.8% in the last 24 hours, and up 5.4% in the last 7 days. And all the other tokens and coins are kind of following suit. We got the odd ones that are trailing behind, but most of them are kind of following suit. The ones I'm obviously most interested in at the moment are AVAX and Matic. AVAX is slightly down over the week, but up 5% over the day, and Matic is Matic is up 7.9% over the last 24 hours and 7.2% over the last week. So that's really flying at the moment, which I'm dead excited about. I'm just waiting for it to get to the prices it was a few years ago. At the moment, we're only on $1.06. The all-time high of Matic was $2.92, so almost 3 times where we're at now. So I'm going to wait till at least double my money, but maybe get up to 3 times, who knows. Same with AVAX. AVAX is currently at $39.15. All-time high of AVAX was $145. So again, I could easily double my money. Probably gonna triple it if I wait that long. I don't know if I will. I might exit the position once I double. I might just take half out, who knows. But I'm just gonna leave it there for the time being. But I'm really excited about both of these tokens at the moment. In any case, neither of these I've got bots set up for, which is why you're here, maybe to see the video on the bots. So these are the 3 bots I've got set up. I've got one for Polkadot, one for Bitcoin, one for Solana. Set up all of these about 2 weeks ago in that video. Again, you can see it by clicking the link at the top there, or at the end of the video. All of these are paired with USD, so I'm buying all of these tokens with USD. Bitcoin, I'm buying $15 every single day, and Solana and Polkadot, I'm buying $10. And as you can see, they're all doing okay at the moment. $14.71 profit for Bitcoin, $7.74 for Polkadot, and $2.95 for Solana. Now, if I just take you over to orders here, and I take my, where are we? Orders, order history, and take the date back for 2 weeks. So let's go 6th of Feb. Go to the 5th of Feb. I'll change this to Bitcoin and USD. That's the pair I've got. So these are all the orders that the bots performed for me over the last couple of weeks. $15 every day. This is the price of Bitcoin at the time of purchasing. So $48,111 there. $49,244 the next day. $51,765. $52,226. So as you can see, the price is fluctuating quite a lot each and every day. So if I'd have bought everything here at 48,000, then obviously the price has only gone up since then. So I'd have been doing all right. But you know, the possibility is the price could have come down the day after, and then I would have lost money. So this is why it's better to kind of spread that investment over the days rather than buying in one lump sum. If I'd have bought here 52,000 and I'd bought it all in one lump sum, and then it had dropped again to 51,000, again, I would have, you know, I could have had more Bitcoin had I waited till the price was at 51,000. So, you know, by dollar cost averaging, we're going to get a much better price, average price, over the duration of the investment. That's why it's better to dollar cost average. If I just change this to Solana, I'll give you another example so you can see again how that's working. Price of Solana here on my first buy was at 104.84, then it went up to 111, up to 117. So if I'd have bought it all here at 117 and the next day it come down 115, then 111, 106, you know, I could have got much more tokens for my money buying here rather than buying here. But because I'm buying $10 in each and every day, I'm getting an average price of all of these, so it's obviously much better. So, you know, I don't want to teach you guys to suck eggs, but, you know, some of you might not know this. You know, it's not something I'm an expert in. I'm learning a lot of this stuff as I go along as well, and hopefully, you know, you guys will be learning with me, and hopefully some of you guys will also be teaching me stuff, especially you guys in the Discord server. We've got a lot of knowledgeable guys over in my Discord server. You know, their expertise is right across the board, whether it's DeFi, whether it's NFTs, or, you know, whether it's cryptocurrency, whatever it is, we've got a lot of knowledge on the Discord server. So, you know, I learn a lot from the members in my Discord server. Got some good guys. So if you're not a member, then come on over. It's free to join, and you might learn something, and you might be able to teach us all something. So anyway, that's just where we're at with these dollar cost average trading bots. I'm really excited about these. I've got another 2 weeks to go yet. I set them all up for 28 days, 30 days, I think. So I've got a couple of weeks to go before those investments are finalized and those bots will then cease. I might run out of USD before then, so I might have to end them, you know, before that point. But at the moment, I'm doing all right, investing $10 into each of those tokens, or $10 into Solana, 10 into what was the other one, Polkadot, and 15 into Bitcoin. So we'll see how they go. That's it, guys. If you've got any questions, feedback, comments, leave them down below. Come and join the Discord server if you haven't done so already, because like I say, there's a lot of good information over there, and it would be nice to have more people talking about various things, and, you know, we could all potentially learn something from you, and you could learn something from us. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Until then, take care of yourselves.